Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate YouTube and Slack. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new channel video is published in YouTube, it will automatically send a channel message via Slack. Now YouTube is an awesome video sharing platform. Actually you are currently using it right now, and Slack is a messaging platform. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from YouTube to Slack. But there is one minor problem. There is no integration between YouTube and Slack. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to properly connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate YouTube and Slack. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com, press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products, and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So you just have to clone the template of its workflow, which is available in the description box. Once you clone the template, you will get immediate access to this amazing workflow in your account. Okay, so scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I am going to give it as YouTube to Slack. YouTube to Slack. And just click on create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as YouTube? Because we want to send the data from YouTube, that is why. Now in the trigger event, since we want to send the data when a new video is uploaded in the channel, let's make the trigger event new video in channel. Now new video in channel is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new video is uploaded in the channel, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there is one more trigger, that is new comment. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to build. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new video is uploaded in my YouTube channel. Okay, so now all we have to do is just click on connect with YouTube. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with YouTube. Okay, so as you can see, I have a series of accounts. So these are all the Gmail accounts I have. And this particular video that I have uploaded and whose data I want to take is present in this channel. And this channel's name is Aaron Manuel. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to select this particular channel. This is the Gmail account. And this particular Gmail account has two channels, Aaron Manuel and Dr. Doom. As I mentioned before, this particular YouTube video is present in this channel. So I'm selecting this channel. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect demands access to my YouTube channel. So all I'm going to do here is just click on allow. Okay, excellent. So it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, it is already showing the channel ID. So this is my channel ID called as Aaron Manuel. As you can see, this is my channel, Aaron Manuel. And basically it is being reflected here because at this point, Pabbly Connect is now successfully integrated with YouTube. That is why. Okay, so basically now we need the data of my YouTube video. So this is my YouTube video that I have uploaded. Okay, so so this is the video, Interstellar soundtracks. Okay, so it's actually one of my favorite movies and it has amazing soundtracks by Hans Zimmer. Okay, so it's a soundtrack that I have uploaded. Okay, so what I want here is I want the data regarding this particular video here. So all I have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing all the data regarding this particular video. Okay, so as you can see, we will find the title as Interstellar soundtrack, and then we have where is our YouTube ID? let me scroll down. Okay, so this is the width, this is the height of the video, this is the channel title, and this is the published time. It was the time at which it was published, this video was published. So where is our channel ID? So where is our channel ID? Okay, yes, this is our video ID. Okay, so this is the most important thing that we have to concentrate upon. Okay, so your obvious question right now is, what is so important about this video ID? So to explain you that, let me open YouTube in a new tab. So I have opened YouTube in a new tab, and as you can see, this is YouTube, and I'm going to select this video. Okay, Biscuit has hiccups, a very cute dog. Okay, so this is the video, Biscuit has hiccups, and this is the URL for this particular video. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just copying this, okay, and opening this in a new tab. Okay, so I have pasted the URL in a new tab. So as you can see, both the videos are same. This is because we just practically copied this whole URL and pasted it in a new tab. Okay, excellent. So how about I copy this up to here only? Okay, I just copy this up to here and paste it in a new tab once again. Okay, so as you can see, the video is not available. It's just opening YouTube. So my point is, YouTube has this whole URL has two sections. One is for YouTube and this one is the video ID. Okay, so let me go back to the video that I have uploaded. So as you can see up to here, this is YouTube. I'm just copying this and opening this in a new tab. So it will just show YouTube. Okay, however, when we copy whole of this, okay, it will again show the video that I have uploaded. Okay, so this is the video that I have uploaded. So my point is very simple. We have in this URL two parts. Okay, so the first part is up to here. Okay, let me copy this. So up to here is basically the YouTube part, and this part is the video ID. So Pabbly Connect has basically received the video ID. Okay, so I'm just copying this. Okay, I'm just copying this, pasting this up to here. Okay, and I'm copying this and pasting this video ID, and when we click enter, you can expect to find the video that I have uploaded, that is Interstellar soundtrack. So I hope you get the gist. Okay, so now we are ready to sync all these details into Slack to send a message. So scroll down and just click on this plus button. Okay, so when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Slack? Okay, so this is Slack, and in the action event, we just want to send a channel message without an image, and just click on connect with Slack. In the new credentials, just again click on connect with Slack. Okay, so now Pabbly Connect is demanding access to Slack. So before you click on allow, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe and secure with us. Okay, so on the basis of that trust, just click on allow. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so now you can see a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blank is very simple. We are going to construct a message from the data that we have received from YouTube via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so for example, in the channel, it is showing it as general. And when we expand this, we can see different channels. For example, Pabbly Connect, new customer, WooCommerce, product, Shopify, new order, others, Shopify, so and so. These are all the channels I have in my Slack account. Let me show you. So these are all the channels that I have in my Slack account. Basically all the channels that is present here is basically being reflected here. Okay, this is because we have integrated Slack to Pabbly Connect. So how about I create a new channel? Okay, so I'm going to create a new channel called as YouTube. Okay, so this is the channel. I'm just going to click on create, and I'm going to add all 3 members that is present in Slack. Okay, so 3 members has been added, and a channel called as YouTube has been created. So let me go to Pabbly Connect and let me refresh this. Okay, so when we refresh this, you can expect to find the channel called as YouTube. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to send the message in this particular channel. Okay, so in the message type, of course, we just want to send the message as plain text. Now in the message, we are just going to type a simple message. Okay, so the video has been uploaded by this channel, and we can just map in the channel name. So before we map, let me introduce you to this button. This is called as a mapping button. Click this and we can just map in the name. So the name is this one. channel title Aaron Manuel. And if the video has been uploaded by this channel, how about we type something, the video named, and we can map in the name of the video. Okay, Interstellar Soundtrack. The video named Interstellar Soundtracks has been uploaded by this channel. So this is the channel Aaron Manuel, and this is the video URL. Okay, so now we are going to enter the full URL. So as I mentioned before, we have two parts. Okay, so the first part is this one. Okay, so I'm basically copying this, okay, the YouTube part as I mentioned before, and simply pasting it here. Okay, so this part will remain static. However, the video ID part will keep on changing as long as you keep on uploading the video. So I'm just going to map in the video ID. So this is the one. Okay, so the video URL. So this is the YouTube part and this is the video ID. Excellent. So our URL is totally complete now. So the bot name is basically me. My name is Michael. The bot icon, we can just leave it as empty. Okay, so basically we have mapped all the details. All we have to do at this point is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent to Slack. So let's have a look. Okay, so this is the message. The video named Interstellar Soundtracks has been uploaded by this channel. So this is the channel and this is the video URL. So all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy this and let's see whether we have received the correct URL. Okay. Yes, the video URL is correct. Excellent. So the presence of this particular message in Slack shows that we have successfully integrated YouTube and Slack with help of Pabbly Connect. So how about we double check if our integration is working fine or not. But before we do that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So I'm taking back to Pabbly Connect and I'm minimizing my action window. And also I have minimized my trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated YouTube to Pabbly Connect and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Slack. So now there's a perfect flow of data between YouTube and Slack. Excellent. So to double check the integration, how about I upload one more video. So I'm just going to upload one more video in my YouTube channel. Okay. So I'm going to select a file. So this is the file. I hope it is of low MB. Otherwise it will take a significant amount of time. So the title required is Kill Bill Soundtracks. Okay, Kill Bill Soundtrack. So let me click on next. Of course, it is not made for kids. Next, public, publish. Okay, so as you can see, a video called as Kill Bill Soundtracks has been published. So let's have a look in Slack whether it has sent the data regarding the same. So let me refresh Slack. Okay, so as you can see, we have got the message. But you should know something. YouTube actually takes a significant amount of time to send the data. And that is why the message here got delayed. So this is all about integrating YouTube to Slack. And this particularly means that anytime a new YouTube video has been uploaded in your channel, it will be reflected as a message in Slack.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.